All right, we got CN, A425, A425, coming down the line, with a awesome lash up, So we got 88, 33, 25, 2507, and 2507, and GTW 50 58 30 GTW unit. GTW unit. All right. And yep, this is A4 25. The A425 originates from Toronto, Ontario at McMillan Yard. Heads west to Sarnia, Ontario, where it terminates. Got to see a GTW GP 38-2 again. There's the end of CN. A425. Off it goes to Sarnia. All right, we got a CN eastbound coming. We got an eastbound. With 22, 55, and 57, 31, and a safety inspection car, a new safety inspection car. This is Z 148. The 148 originates from Homewood, Illinois at the Markham Yard. Heads east. Heads east to the intermodal terminal in Brampton, Ontario, where it terminates. All on this Saturday, December 6th, 2025, 2025 Denton Railfan 2003 on YouTube. I like that this train carries rocks. It's a thing that it's been doing since 2022. Since 2022. There's the end of said 148. There's the end of 148. Off it goes to Brampton.